Hello YouTube. It's time to talk about wind power. No, I don't think that's not what that is. So I think I have my thing zoomed in a little bit here. There we go. The one-touch cleaning system Weber has. If you look at my other one, here, let me flip this over. Good thing they're light. They started to rust after so many years, and it got stuck too. So probably gonna have to take a hammer and beat on it a little bit, loosen it up. So get this replaced. They've changed the design on it a little bit, or quite a bit, I should say. Still does the same thing, but I'm not sure if it really got any better for them. I'm sure it got cheaper for them, but anyway, they replaced it with this interlocking system right here. That pretty self-explanatory. Whoops. Once you get it in there, this little piece right there will actually, I gotta hold on to this with one hand, will actually click into that little slot down there. So I'm gonna set this down. It's got to come apart anyway, so and here we go. Give this a whirl. I have my trusty pliers here, and I will pretty much bet that I'm going to probably end up getting my cutoff wheel and my grinder on this thing to get it apart. But well, maybe that's not the case. See if it'll fall down now. Oh, wow. Is it going to twist off? Or, nope, doesn't seem like it. That's amazing. Well, you don't have to watch me twist this off. Oh, it did twist off. How about that? Wonderful. Well, come back later with it. Well, back to this again. I'm going to try a drill bit on here. See if I can get it centered on here. Nope. Yep. Well, you don't have to watch this. Well, just a little further. I got with that one. I'm going to try a little bit bigger bit here. Make sure I get it completely out of there. quite a ways down into there. Would think I'd be past that. I do have, oops, sorry. I do have that drilled out. Just have to get this other part punched out and I can get that out of there. What I have here is a punch and a screw. This has worked pretty good in the past for me, but I'm not sure how well it will work here. Oh yeah. There we go. Got a hole. Wonderful. Now that that is so nice and cleaned out of there, and I have this already somewhat together, I'm going to drop this washer off of here. There we go. Fell off. I should be able to put this down through here and hold it. Oh, it's got some spring to it. See that? That may be by design, I'm sure. Well, let's see how this works out. I'm going to have to probably put you down. Back at it here again, and I do have it in. And oh, isn't that one of those noises that's great, huh? There we go. Good as new. If you look at how this goes in here, just a little bit better shot of it. Oh, I guess it's stuck in there, and that's good thing. But I think I pointed it out. There's a little cut in that washer, and there's also like a dimple or something that sticks out in the rod. Little catch there that turns, and it just snapped right in. I turned it, snapped right in, and there we go. Another good for another 10 years. Yeah, I don't know how long I've had this grill. Maybe it hasn't been 10 years, but oh, I bet you it has. It seems like the newer ones are a little bit more cheaply built. I think mostly in the handles part of it. They did make a different deal. Here, I'll show you on the. They have like a little protection here from the heat. Probably somebody must have sued them probably because they got burned. So they have a little bit of a protection from the heat, or maybe it's just people thought that the deal was just a little too hot to grab. So I have an 18-inch one here. Has the same problem. The part number for that one is 7443. The one for my, I think it's an 18.5 inch. The one for the 22 inch or 22.5 inch is 7444. There we go. And I had the Ace Hardware in Marshall, Minnesota order this for me. Cost me approximately $16 for that, which is plenty. I think the one for the 18 inch is close to 20, which I don't quite understand, but I'm sure they didn't sell as many of those grills as they've sold these, so pretty popular grill. You can still get that grill for about $100. That's what I paid for this one, I think about 10 years ago. So really not too bad. I love these grills. They seem to be a pretty decent grill. There's a lot of cool stuff for these things, and I'll probably cover one of those things that I have here in a minute. But yep, back to normal now with my grill. I guess I'll have to make sure that I don't let that get stuck or rusted in there. If it doesn't want to move, I guess I'll have to just kind of tap on it with a hammer or something like that, or pliers, and try to loosen it up. But this one was definitely starting to rust out, as you can see there, and that's from not probably keeping it clean. And yes, the drill trick did work. The other thing I would have done was probably took a taken my cutter on my, or a thin cutting disc on a angle grinder and grind it off. But this worked. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.
If you're liking these videos, please subscribe to my grandpa's channel. Hit the subscribe button right here. I think it's here. Oh well, thank you.